Portrait painting explained in 2 minutes. The first thing you need to do is get a reference picture. Make sure it has at least decent lighting. Okay, so first start by painting your background. You don't want to paint on the white background because it can easily throw off your sense of values and color. Now it's time to start painting your portrait. You should always go from big shapes to small shapes. In this portrait, the 3 main big shapes are the skin, the hair, and the clothing. From there, you will create some color variation on the skin and paint the base color for the eyes and the lips. Make sure you keep everything on different layers for convenience. Next, you will paint in your shadow shapes. For this particular painting, I will choose a very warm and saturated tone. One by one, fill in the shadows on the skin, the hair, and the clothing. Once you are done with your main shape, start painting the mid value on the face. This is the value halfway between your light and your shadows. Now combine all your layers into one and start blending your colors. You don't need to blend everything, only the areas where you want more detail, which in this case will be the face. Since I made my shadows warm, I will do the opposite with the highlights and make them cooler. Be careful not to overdo the highlights. Apply highlights only to important areas like the nose, eyes, and the lips. Next, paint your rim lighting. This is a secondary light that highlights the outline of your character, but if it's in your reference, go ahead and include it. Finally, start detailing your painting. How much detail you add is completely up to you, but it's a good idea to focus more detail on the area that matters most. In a portrait, that's primarily the face. And that's portrait painting explained in 2 minutes. See you in the next one.